So 500 guaranteed free mint NFTs. So you are going to see the Parachain architecture airdrop. There is gonna be, one of the best in the airdrop space, crypto space. So how you gonna participate in this airdrop? I will talk about A to J about it. Okay. So first thing first, you know, to come into Telegram. Inside of the Telegram, how you can join, everything has in the description box. Check out description box. Click on the title button. Immediately you will be access in the description box. You already know how to join, how to check out description. If you don't, just check out description box. Anyway, so first, you will after coming inside of the Telegram, what you will see is the my post, latest post, Parachain architecture. So just grab the link and paste into your whatever browser you have. But one term is you need to have MetaMask wallet or Web3 wallet, even in the Chrome extension. Okay, even you should have Chrome extension inside of that browser. Okay, it is not whatever browser, it is specific browser you should have. Kiwi, Yandex, or Mises, or whatever other browsers you have. Okay, so after doing it, now interface would be like this. While you will paste your or come walk through that link that I provided. Through that link, the page would be open up like this. What you need to do now is green button, login or registration. Just click on this login or registration. It will take slightly time, and it is taking time most of the from me because in my in my place here is network problem is, you know it is it is it is simple. Okay, it is not, you know like America or England, this type of place situation. It is this thing is normal. It is average. Okay, so it will take a little bit time. I'm come back very soon. So click on the login or registration button, and it will bring you inside of the interface where you will see couple of couple of wallet option, and most of the permitted would be recommended would be connect your MetaMask wallet. Okay, it is taking slightly time from me. Maybe it will not happen with you because I'm saying here is network problem is common. Okay, everybody is facing this problem. Where am I in? Okay, where I am in. So never be freak out that you are you are facing this problem. That's why I will face that problem too. No, you will be faster than me. Okay, I'm just showing you how do you do it. Okay, just visually I'm showing you. So it is taking some time. Pausing and come back in very soon. So after you will see this exact page, here is couple of wallet option has. So most recommended it MetaMask. Okay, I'm clicking on this MetaMask. Let me see how many time it takes to notify MetaMask that has on my extension. So here is, you will see it. Here is MetaMask. So it is not getting notified yet because it is due to network problem. Okay, so anyhow, my network problem is slightly causing me. So maybe will not happen with you. Okay, it will not happen with you anymore. It is doing problem with me. That is not no. So it doesn't mean that it will happen with you. Okay, so never be freak out, just try. Okay, after doing it, what you will do, I'm showing you visually. I'm doing problem because I don't wanna waste your time anymore. Here is, I will just show you the process, how do you do it. If you are slightly you know passionate about doing airdrop seriously, so just wait a minute here. So I'm doing open it again, come back here, copy it out, or click on there and Yandex browser. I'm going through it, and here is login, Twitter, connect your Twitter and do the task of Twitter, and Discord, and click on this here and put your email here and click to register, and bam, done. And after enter the you know enter the apps, what you will see, it's maybe they will give you free. Okay, may not get rid of it now. So anyhow, because it is not need now, because it is doing problem, it is happening with me, network problem. It will not happen with you. Okay, so after doing it, connect your MetaMask, enter the apps. What you will see is just maybe they will put you the mint option. Just click the mint, and MetaMask will get notified and mint your NFT. Okay, and that's it. Just 1,000 people can mint the NFT, and that's it. So this is the Euro. Only 500 sports has available. You can do it. Just do as much fast as you can do. Okay, so see you later the next time. Before going, check out the description box, come into Telegram. I will be glad to you.